हम लोग बहुत शांति से
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर,
आई एम वेरी वेरी
पूरा सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
सर हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just making any wild allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will diminish your own
I'll give
position.
you a reason. I'll give
you
you a
are
reason.
leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are
Now
here
let
to
me
listen,
speak.
but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files. That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी चाहे,
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair,
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr.
से
Hardeep Puri knows who
आप
introduced
जो
him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है, sir.
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए। A member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a subsequent. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें और पॉइंट आउट किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी,
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए.
ठीक,
It is completely against the rules.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए, उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ। आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or inflammatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं, whatever Rahul has made allegation, that will not go on the record. And now you can speak.
1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
You have made allegation. You have made allegation that will not go on the record.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister, two former Prime Ministers. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, not only for him. That will be applicable. Please kindly take it. That is applicable for to him. Please, Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, I think file. Please, no, not. How I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning it is, how if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul ji.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
I
Speaker,
think
sir.
Why you are just
Speaker, sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना, ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा। मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Didi. Selja is also
Speaker, sir,
and
you know
this is
we know you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
you are an
Speaker
ex-member of our party.
Absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
You are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no. But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we
मानते
know
हैं-
your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We know
बात
your
मान-
heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते। आप अगर if you are sitting there, तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to you should move on correct track.
So as today, as you are a sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.
नहीं बनेगा। ये you are a leader of opposition.
Okay.
और
So let me speak, sir.
ये please, I think so.
I will not do it, sir.
The whole nation is watching you.
I know. I know
on
that,
one
that's why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side you are saying, I will not mention the name. Again you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
so
I will not
think you are
mention.
not ready to avoid the Please.
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say,
I think so you have to speak only on budget. अरे बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना
Speaker, sir.
There is a general discussion on the union budget for 26,
Okay, sir, let me speak.
27. Okay. So I think
Nice.
what
So, Speaker, sir,
अब तो
so I
नहीं-
will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने
कहा
तो
था।
दीजिए, sir. So, the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, but I do not, sir, this budget that you have,
So you and your member have not raised any question. And I believe that day when Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the house.
सर मुझे आप कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर
चलिए please.
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर
Okay, thank you.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर
No, kindly conclude. Kindly conclude.
So we have buckled on tariffs, we have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. Our energy security has been handed over. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic ही नहीं है, sir. Logic नहीं है, sir. ये जो हुआ है, sir, ये पूरा surrender है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
So this is a wholesale surrender. And it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture, on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered. I'm not saying anything.
एक रुलिया आप रिपीट बार एक चीज को हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. हमने शुरू से सर आप लोग बैठिए ना, ये बोल सकते हैं. बोलने दो तो. इसको कोई रूल मालूम नहीं है, पीछे से खड़े हो जाते हैं बिना मतलब का. इनका लीडर ऑपोजिशन को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. सर आपने एक रूलिंग दिया है.
मिस्टर राहुल
सर
बीइंग ए पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर ही से
मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर जो आपने रूलिंग दिया है, मैंने तब भी कहा, राहुल गांधी जी ने बार रिपीट किया है. हमने फिर भी कहा कि आप नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट पे जाइए, हम लोग सुनने के लिए बैठे. आप फिर से रिपीट किया. दो तीन मुद्दे आपने प्रधानमंत्री जी का नाम लेकर के आप जो शब्द इस्तेमाल किया और जो आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, मैं चेयर के माध्यम से मैं आपको अनुरोध करता हूं और ये मेरा डिमांड भी है कि आपने जितना एलिगेशन लगाया है, चेयरमैन ने रूलिंग देने के बावजूद भी आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, आपको ऑथेंटिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है. आप मामूली आप सामान्य सदस्य नहीं है. यू आर द लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन. व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑन सर्टेन थिंग, देयर इज अ सीरियस connotation. I would urge Honorable Leader of Opposition, because he is the Leader of Opposition, all the points he has made have serious repercussion. He must authenticate on all the allegations he has made.
I will authenticate right now. I've got it.
You have
Because sir, let me authenticate.
Kindly. Already you have taken 45 minutes. Kindly.
Sir, let me authenticate, sir.
But kindly.
Sir, he has said to authenticate. I will authenticate right now.
That you have to just give in advance, and that you have to.
No, sir, I will authenticate right now. I'm authenticating.
मैं आपसे नहीं मांग.
I will say it and then I will give it.
No, Mr. Rahul ji.
I will say it now and I will give it.
नहीं राहुल जी.
I have it here.
ये पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने कहा, चेयर आपसे नहीं मांग रही अभी.
Sir, you have asked for authentication now. You're not giving it to me.
आप अपनी चीज को रखिए. आप रखिए अपनी चीज को. आपको
शायद ऑथेंटिकेशन वो क्या समझे, इधर ऑथेंटिकेट करता हूँ, ऑथेंटिकेट नहीं है. ही शुड प्रोड्यूस द प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट, प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड, अदरवाइज और साइन करके देना है, अदरवाइज ऑथेंटिकेट. आप उनको बोलिए भाषण. सर यूएस गवर्नमेंट ने ऑथेंटिकेट कर दिया था.
Speaker.
आप कंक्लूड करें.
Sir, Speaker, sir, Minister has asked me.
फिर मिनिस्टर की बात मत करिए.
But बोलो तो सर, conclude तो करने दीजिए सर.
conclude करिए.
Sir, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs has asked me to authenticate my allegations. I have them written here. I am going to authenticate.
Oh, that is a procedure. मतलब
I will also give the procedure.
So then you have to follow that procedure.
Yes, but I want to-
Here you are only doing speech
No, but
and
I want to
budget.
take it.
Only you just conclude your budget speech, because if you want to submit something, so please in future you can just according to your procedure, then you have to submit. Please.
Okay. Speaker, sir, the evidence, sir, is in Department of Justice files that have been released in the United States. Hardeep Puri's name is in it. Anil Ambani's name is in it.
ऐसा नहीं बनेगा राहुल जी
Sir, the evidence is
आपने
that government of India has refused to serve summons
Mr.
to Adani for last 14.
Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise. Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise to the chair. I will not mention the name of minister, but you are repeatedly just mentioning the name. How you can? You have made it promise. No. You have made it promise. Mr. K.C. Venugopal बैठिए. I am not allowing you. K.C. Venugopal जी बैठिए. I am only talking to Rahul. I am not allowing to you. If I have already, if you have made it promise to the chair, I am not going to mention the name of any minister, not the member, and repeatedly, it means you are defying the even ruling of the chair also.
Okay.
कोई कार्रवाई
Speaker,
किस तरह
sir,
नहीं
Speaker, sir.
नहीं ये
Let me speak, sir.
जब एक बार आपने कहा मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा,
नाम नहीं लिया,
और उसके
सर.
बाद नहीं फिर ले रहे हैं.
नहीं लिया, सर.
नहीं ये
नहीं लिया.
लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन का तरीका नहीं है. आपने शुरू में कहा कि
Speaker,
जब
साहब, बोलने तो
मैंने
दीजिए, खत्म
व्यवस्था
करता
दी,
हूं.
मैंने पीठ से व्यवस्था दी, और आप इसके बाद कह रहे हैं. आप ये बताइए कि ये हाउस आज बजट स्पीच है जनरल. इसके पहले महामहिम राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण था. अगर महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पे क्या भाषण होता है, बजट पे आपकी क्या स्पीच होनी चाहिए, डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स में क्या स्पीच होनी चाहिए, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आज जनरल बजट पे आपका क्या विषय होना चाहिए. आप महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के भाषण पे जो बोल सकते हैं वो वहाँ बोलना चाहिए, तो वहाँ नहीं बोले. अब आप बजट पे बोल रहे, कल डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स होगा किसी बिल पे, तो ये सदन अलग अलग जब विषयों पे होता है. नहीं, आज आप बोलने तो दूंगा,
बोलूंगा सर.
बोलने तो दूंगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि बिना नियमों के आप बोलेंगे. या जब आपको एक बार चेयर से कोई रूलिंग होती है, आप देखिए इसी चेयर से रूलिंग हुई, सारे मेंबर्स कितने संतुष्ट होंगे. सभी अगर मेंबर से पार्लियामेंट के किसी भी पार्टी के बात किया जाए तो स्पीकर साहब के रात को 12 बजे तक सभी मेंबर्स को बुलाते हैं, और आपको बोलने का समय दिया जा रहा था, तब भी आप एक वोट ऑफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस ला रहे हैं. तो आज जिस तरीके से आप करेंगे, क्या बात आप करें, ऐसे थोड़ी तरीका होता है. हाँ?
आप भी बोलते रहेंगे.
Allow him to conclude, sir.
देखिए केसी वेणुगोपाल जी, जब राष्ट्रपति के भाषण पे भी स्पीकर साहब लगातार अलाउ कर रहे थे, आप बाहर जाके कहते थे स्पीकर साहब बोलने नहीं दे रहे. आज आप 40 मिनट से बोल रहे हैं, फिर कह देंगे आपको बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा है. आप 45 मिनट में बोल रहे हैं, फिर आप बोलने नहीं दे रहे. चलिए खत्म करिए.
Speaker, sir, I'm concluding. Speaker, sir, I'm concluding now. I only started to say that because the minister said that I should authenticate. Now I have the papers to authenticate. I have it here. 1 second, please. I have the paper. Now I said to you,